Hi everybody, welcome back to Book Talk with Notion Press. Here we have with us Miss.
Jayasree Bhavani.
She is the author of.
I am the author of Curious Little Two,
Right.
Ray and Tago. It's about sibling love and their curiosity.
Right.
So I have got inspiration from my grandchildren.
Right.
And
So first off, ma'am, this is the world's largest book fair. How is your experience here?
it's really wonderful, wonderful and amazing actually.
Is your first book fair?
Yeah, it's the first book fair and I think it's very huge, you know it.
Yeah.
It's very huge. I'm so happy to be here actually.
So writing can be full of ups and downs, ma'am. What are some challenges you faced while writing your book?
I took so many months actually how to give the feelings of the younger one, you know, that one, his language, how to
Right.
speak that one. That was a bit challenging for me.
So we have a huge community of writers on Instagram. What piece of advice would you give to budding writers or authors?
I think you should watch whatever you see, and I think you can write.
Right.
Even if it is a small thing, it will actually give you joy and satisfaction, and it will reach the community.
Right.
That's,
So you should take inspiration from your life, basically.
yeah, I think so.
Right. That is wonderful advice, man. Thank you so much for sharing your experience with us. I hope you have a wonderful time at the
And
book
I
fair.
am very much thankful to Notion Press also for publishing my book.
Yes,
Thank
ma'am.
you, thank you.
Absolutely. Yeah, thank you so
Okay,
much.
thank you. Thank you.
Wonderful. You can